Icon TV.
Sa'yo. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Ngayong araw na ito ay mag-unboxing tayo ng bagong bili kong Sennheiser Urbanite XL. Pero bago ang lahat, guys, ipa-review nga muna natin kay Google. Google, ano ba ang Urbanite XL? Hey Google, can I ask something?
Of course, I'm here to find answers for you.
Thank you, Google. Hey, Google, thank you.
My pleasure.
Google, what is wide review of Sennheiser Urbanite XL? Hindi natin kung sasagot ni Google. Hey, Google, send feedback.
No problem. Tell me what needs to be improved. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't have any information about that. But I found something similar. Do you want to know, can sanitizer damage eyes?
No.
Sorry, I don't have any information about that. Sorry, I don't understand.
They say?
The Sennheiser Urbanite XL is a well-designed, comfortable to wear over-ear headphone that offers exciting, dynamic sound with quality bass.
Wow.
There's an integrated remote microphone for calls.
So guys, ang sabi ni Google, napakaganda daw ng Sennheiser Urbanite XL na nabili natin. So ngayon, i-unboxing po natin kung ano ang laman ng Sennheiser. So siyempre, kailangan buksan natin yan guys by cutter. Okay? So yan, buksan natin. Okay? So siyempre, pag binubuksan, dahan-dahan para makita natin. Yan. Then, ngayon natin. Oop! Suspend surprise. Surprise! Ganda guys, oh. Whoop! Ito guys, yung takip. No? Ayan. Guys, ang laman nito ay meron siyang warranty card. Lagyan natin dyan. Meron siyang tinatawag na cable. Ito na guys, yung ating Sennheiser. Guys, medyo mabigat siya. Pero magandang itsura niya guys. Yan. Ito itsura niya guys. Yan. Wow. Guys, akmang-akma. Talagang close na close sa tenga niya. Saka malambot siya. At siyempre may counting, alam niyo na, ang mga original kasi na ganito ay medyo mabigat ng konti. So, binigyan din kami ng free, oh. May free siya na pang cellphone. Pang may connect sa cellphone. Actually, guys, ito ay binili natin para sa ating piano lesson. Gamitin natin dito, guys. Kaya, tignan natin kung ano yung ganda nito. Tignan natin. Thank you very much. Guys, ang ganda talaga ng totoo, no?